Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch Hulu outside the US. So let's get started. So now here we are in hulu.com and you can see right here. And from here, in order for you to watch outside the US, let's say that you would want to watch movies or series here in Hulu that is only available in the United States. So what you would need for that is a VPN. In my case, I use NordVPN to bypass this. I think this is the best one when it comes to bypassing GU blocks from streaming services. So if you do want to access certain movies that is only available on a specific country, then NordVPN is the answer to that problem. So this is what I recommend that you use in hulu.com. So all that's left once you have activated NordVPN right here is to log in on your Hulu account right here, and then you should now be seeing the US library of Hulu right here, or you should now be able to watch Hulu if you are one of the countries that Hulu is not available in. And you can use other VPNs, of course, like free VPNs, but I don't really recommend this because most of the time they don't work and they get easily detected by streaming services. And you would get this prompt right here on your screen, as you can see, that you might be using a VPN. So if you're using NordVPN, for example, this is undetectable by streaming services, so you are in a good hands right here. But this is not for free, so you would have to pay for this one right here, but this is really worth it if you would want to watch Hulu outside the US. And there are also other options that you can use as a VPN, like ExpressVPN right here, for example, and Surfshark. Those are the three VPNs that I can recommend, but NordVPN comes on top of them, in my opinion. So now to recap, in order for you to watch Hulu outside the US is that you would need a VPN, and the VPN that we recommend is NordVPN. And from here, you can just connect, for example, into United States, since you are outside the United States. So you would want to be virtually located in the United States. So simply click on that, and then you will now be connected into that VPN, and your IP will change into the United States IP. And in this way, you will now be able to watch Hulu. So open your Hulu and then log in. And from here, Hulu will now detect that you are currently in the United States. And I do not recommend that you use free VPNs because they will just collect your data, or they would have a limitation on how much data that you can use, or they are very easily detectable by streaming platforms like Hulu. If they detect that you are using a VPN, they will not let you use the platform. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.